Evaluating the discriminant. From the previous video, we learned what the discriminant is and what it can determine. Remember, you have negative, 0, and positive. Negative discriminants means you will have no solutions. 0 would be one solution, and a positive discriminant will be two solutions. So just remember, you have everything you need to do this. It's all fundamentals. So how many solutions does this have? We have a quadratic equation, 2x squared plus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now pay attention to everything that I'm pointing at. Those are your A's, B's, and C's. That is all you need to determine solutions when you look at an equation. I always recommend lining or listing out your information. So before we use the discriminant, always write it down first, and then after that, plug in your values. Always follow the order of operations. So 5 to the second power will give you 25. Now this one, I always say multiply all three of these numbers together. And look, I do include the negative sign with the 4. So if I do that, I have a negative 4 times 2, that's negative 8, times 3, that is negative 24. So basically I have a 25 minus a 24, and the answer is 1. All right, so the answer is 1, right? So follow my finger along and let's go all the way up here. That means I have two solutions because my discriminant was positive. So that means this has two solutions. All right, so let's verify this in a graphing calculator. Remember, I had 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. And let's hit enter there. And remember, we just determined that there were two solutions. So if we take a good look, and you can barely see it until you zoom in, look at how many times we touch that x-axis. See that? When you touch the x-axis twice, that means you have two solutions. Now, it's not going to tell you what those solutions are, but you at least know before you even see what the graph looks like that you will encounter two solutions. All right, so in a nutshell, that's basically how evaluating the discriminant works. Very important. I just want to point out before I end this video, it's very important that you know your A, B, and C, and you have to place them exactly where they are supposed to be placed within this formula, because your final answer will let you know if this will be no solutions, one solutions, or two solutions.